Hi everybody, this is Molly with Essentially Empowered, and I just wanted to hop on today and tell you guys how I manage joint pain and muscle aches, whether it's swollen joints or overwork or whatever. I've got a couple of things that I do that really help to make a difference for me, and I think that you will find them helpful as well. So the first thing I do is I use the Deep Blue Rub. It's a lotion it's a lotion that has Deep Blue essential oil blend in it, the soothing blend, and so it's really awesome. It's thick and creamy, not greasy at all, but it gets into that tender place, whether I've worked out too hard or overuse is my main way that I'm sore, but also just from sleeping in a funny position or or a number of things like that, I can get kind of tight and bent out of shape. And so Deep Blue Rub is great for that. I like to use that one. That's kind of my go-to. A lot of times what I'll do is I will layer Deep Blue Rub with the Deep Blue oil, just to kind of up the ante of the rub. The rub in and of itself is pretty potent, but sometimes I want something a little bit deeper, so I'll do the oil blend with that. Or I'll mix in Aroma Touch, which is the massage blend. I like to mix those two together. Sometimes when I've been skiing all day and my knees are just talking to me at the end of the day or the beginning of the next day, I will put a layer of Deep Blue oil on, and then I'll put a layer of lemongrass over that, so 1 to 2 drops of each over that, and then I will seal it all in with the Deep Blue Rub on top of all of that, and I'll rub all of that into my knee after I've gotten out of the shower at the end of a ski day, or the next morning when I'm getting dressed to go out again. That is my go-to for that kind of pain, and it really does wonders for my knee and allows me to have a great day out on the slopes. Sometimes when I have something a little bit more chronic flare up or just have some deeper pain that I need to get more aggressive with, I will use this blend that I made. This bottle used to be full, so I've used quite a bit of it. It works really well. So this is a 5 milliliter bottle, and so I hope you can see it. It's a really dark blue color. Nothing wrong with it. That's the color it's supposed to be. This particular blend is a mix of 6 different oils, and I'll go through those real quick. So the equal parts of the Deep Blue oil. So this has a fair amount of blue tansy in it, and so it gives it that blue color. The Deep Blue oil is a blend, so there's other oils in here, but the blue tansy is what makes it blue. It also has Aroma Touch, which both of those oils we've already talked about. It also has more blue tansy just on its own. So this is a really thick, very dark blue oil. I love it. It smells so good. It's super soothing and just it gives the blend that really deep blue color because it is so thick. It also has copaiba in it. So this particular bottle I put on a dropper top so I can take it internally and just put a couple drops under my tongue. Makes it easy for me. Don't have to make veggie caps. So copaiba is in it as well. As frankincense, of course, because if you're going to do anything that is anti-inflammatory, you want to have frankincense and copaiba involved because those two are so anti-inflammatory. And then the final one is lemongrass, because it's also super anti-inflammatory. It's really wonderful, particularly in the joint area. This makes a world of difference. So it's those 6 oils, and it's 5 drops of each, and then I just topped it off with fractionated coconut oil. I really, really like that a lot for those. For me, it's usually knee pain or knee irritation, so I like that a lot. Something new that has come out in the last year is the turmeric oil. So this is a great oil to take internally if you're having a lot of inflammation, either systemic inflammation or localized inflammation. This is going to be super, super helpful. Hopefully you're already taking the Lifelong Vitality. So the Alpha CRS Plus has the turmeric powder in it. This is the turmeric oil. So they work a little bit differently, and they both give you really helpful anti-inflammatory benefits down different pathways. So they're actually both super important. So don't think, oh, I've got the Alpha CRS Plus, so I don't need turmeric, or vice versa. They work together synergistically, and they're just beautiful. So this one is really great systemically, or taken internally. Please, 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 if you are taking essential oils internally, please only be doing that with doTERRA essential oils. I cannot stress that enough. Purity matters. We're using doTERRA because it is pure beyond anything else, and that has been shown scientifically now time and time again. So super helpful, so necessary to take things, to only take doTERRA internally, please, please, please. The last thing that I wanted to chat about real quick is the Copaiba soft gels. I told you that I had the stropper top on top of my Copaiba oil. Sometimes I get lazy and I just take a soft gel. And lately I've been taking a lot of soft gels. So I take it at bedtime. Some people take it in the morning. Some people take it both times. It's up to you. But this is a great way to get 2 to 3 drops of Copaiba into your system in a really easy delivery method. So I hope you guys learned something today. Post it in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. One last thing. If you haven't gotten started yet with your own doTERRA wholesale membership, this month is a great month to do it. If you're watching this in March of 2019, you can totally cash in on this awesome promo. So when you enroll with the Home Essentials kit or larger, which is my favorite kit, I love that kit, you're going to get a free bottle of the Deep Blue Rub, and you're also going to get a free bottle of the Deep Blue Oil, the 5 ml oil. So this is a great promo. It's super generous. Everybody loves the Deep Blue Rub. Say that 5 times fast. It is one of the top 5 most popular products that doTERRA makes, so you definitely want to cash in on this. Get in on this guy. I'm going to have a link for it in the post below for you to enroll and get your own wholesale account, and I am happy to support you along in this journey. I'm so glad that you've joined me, and I just love teaching, and I love sharing what I have learned over the years. So click below, comment in the links, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.